getting my fork seals done, man. I've been talking to y'all about getting this done. My boy Malik and got myself yesterday. He stayed right by Yamaha, so I told him to grab the stuff for me. Sent him that bread, dropped it off at my job, and now we about to get it put on. I told y'all, you know, in the previous videos, my neighbor is a mechanic, so I'm pretty much really about to roll my bike probably 30 feet across the street and let him get it fixed. He said it'll be done today, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna vlog, but I am about to go ahead and roll it over there. I just woke up. I'd never wake up this early. Unless he's going to get some money or something like that. But good day, good night, good morning, whatever time y'all watching this video. Hope everybody having a good one. Everybody staying safe and being aware this coronavirus is still going on. But I'm not about to get too deep into that. Let's get into this video. Just hit, oh, well, y'all remember when I hit 20,000, I already damn near hit 200 more miles since then. I'm about to go ahead and roll it over there next door. All right, man, my bike is here. This is wife Jixer 1000. She rides this as a daily. I ain't gonna talk too much because they got music playing, but there's his whole setup. As y'all see, fork seals are done. He was like, now you can go do some wheelies. So y'all see this light is out. I got the light out because this light, the H4 beam, I guess it was so damn hot, it melted my damn, I don't know what you want to call this, the headlight frame. And it's not melted to where I can't put another light in, but I'm iffy on if I want to buy another one, because I went and bought these H7. I bought the wrong damn one. I need to buy H4. Put it in here. But the reason I don't want to buy another H4, put it in, is because if this one melted it, another one will pretty much melt it and fry it on out, and how you can see that right there, I'll be able to stick my finger in it and wiggle it around, and I don't want to be walking around looking tacky. So I'm thinking about getting, you know, a bar here. I don't know if I'm gonna do the single bar, LED bar like the ones that be on the Jeeps. Y'all can look up on Amazon. They're called Not Lights, but LED bar, about 7-inch, one here and one here. I don't know if I should get two, because he was, my buddy, the mechanic, he was saying I could get, you know, two. I could have one on for low beam. That was in my front yard. I have one on for low beam. Our boy Malik here. One on for low beam, both on for high beam. Or shit, I don't know, we'll see. We about to pretty much get ready to roll to my buddies out in Mesquite. See if we can get it looked at, touched up on. So he was saying about the throttle, he was saying, I need a new throttle cable. And he said, it's not affecting me from riding, but he said it's something I need to get fixed eventually, because
yeah, that's right.
Yeah, like if you feel, when I pull the throttle back, you see where that cut is at? No.
That's it right there, but
where? Hold on.
You said it's a cut somewhere down here?
Hold on. Yeah, damn, we just seen that shit. No, it's on that side. Well, moral of the story, on this black piece, it's a little cut, and it's over there. I just can't find it. That whole magically disappeared. Let me see, maybe if I turn the bike. Oh, yeah, right there you go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the cut.
So now twist it. What to do now?
So yeah, do you feel that?
What's it doing? Rubbing against the rubber?
Do you feel like hold it where the cut is at?
Okay.
He just said, I'm gonna need a new throttle cable.
That's at least it's easy because we just run it straight down.
Yeah, he said I could get it and he could do it or we could do it. It don't matter. But that's next. Hit my brake levers. Not too much, man. But we about to pretty much head over there, see if they could throw these lights on. And we'll start from there.
So I'm thinking that they put that, I don't know what's called, like a mold. And put it together, you put it on there. You sand it, sand it. Let it stick. And you just sand it down so it can just be flat. That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna send him a picture and see.
That's what he was telling me too on this fender eliminator. He was saying that once I get my plate, that once I sit down, it's gonna rub right here. He say, so bend that hoe that way.
Right.
So even if I do hit,
bend it that way or
yeah, he said don't bend it this way because it'll fuck up some shit too. And he said he don't want it to mess my tire up. He said the best thing to do is bend it that way, especially if we hit the toes. He say, yeah, we hit the toes. He say it's something like T. Well, you can see his, but
T's guy rigged it up. You see, he ain't got one. He rigged it up to the suspension.
Yeah.
Some people be doing some.
So what I want to do is pretty much take this off, which is just screwed on right now. This bracket is already here. This bracket is already here. So just pull this off and put, you know, the square one. If I could do two of them, and if you could just put, you know, a bar to attach to these two right here and run it and put it real stiff and tighten it. How much you talking? All right, everybody, man. Same vlog, different day. It's raining. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Sorry, I'm cutting it short. Like I told you, I wanted them, you know, between 10-15 minutes. This one gonna be a little bit short due to, you know, I'm about to go get the lights done. And yeah, y'all will see in the next video the lights. And it's pretty damn nice, man. I'll show y'all next video. The Leaks bike. We putting last touches on that. We still got his bike in here chilling. But other than that, man, we discussing, you know, this fairing over here. Probably order a fairing. Everything will take a little bit of time. Probably my next time I'm off work, I'll probably go and get my bike registered, get the temporary plate, get the title transfer and all that. Honestly, I've been putting most of the money into the bike and I haven't even got it registered. And I ain't really been scared on getting it registered due to, you know, the cops haven't really been messing with us. We've been riding around state troopers left and right, cops left and right. So that's not really a big issue. It is a big issue to be riding with no plate, but it's not at the same time. But other than that, man, thank y'all for tuning in with the video. Y'all go subscribe to the Spike's channel, man. I'll put it right here for y'all. And go follow IG as well, mine. Go follow my family channel, Sweet Black Family. And tune in for next video. Y'all stay tuned, man. The lights is gonna be nice. But see y'all next time.